The drone. Joe and Mo were bored one day. So they decided to ask their mom for a drone. They told her why they wanted it. She said, "No, you have to get it yourself." The drone cost $20. They did not have enough money. So they did jobs to get more money. At the end of the day, Joe had $10 and Mo had $10. They had enough money to get the drone. When they bought it, they played with it every day. Then they got bored of playing with it. In the morning, they told each other they were tired of playing with the drone. So they played outside, but left the drone inside. They have not played with it for 1 month. So they made a yard sale and put the drone up for $10. A little boy came. He said, "I want the drone, but I don't have a lot of money." Joe said, "Have it for free. We don't want it." The little boy smiled and said, "Thanks." "Do you want anything else?" said Mo. The little boy bought some other toys and left. Joe and Mo were happy. They could give their drone to someone who would use it a lot. The end.